yard. Sorry. Almost done.
We are the yardists. We take boring, mundane yards and transform them into livable works of art. Our mission? To inspire life outside.
Oh, I didn't know you were filming. Welcome back, guys. We have a new project working on today. This rock that you see there, that's existing bubbling rock. There is some water coming out of there. There's a hole at the top, but we're gonna convert that into, it's still gonna have that bubbling rock effect, but we're still gonna have a little bit of a stream coming into the basin. So this is gonna look great. Our basin is gonna be located here. We're gonna remove all these plants. I'm still gonna keep this boulder kind of the same. Maybe I'm just gonna do a little twist or something. The water's gonna spill out of here. It's going to, we're gonna remove completely all this. Everything's gonna be brand new liner, aqua basin, bubbling over here. It's gonna pull up, and then we're gonna have like a little waterfall into the basin over there. So that's gonna add more beauty to it. So stay tuned. We're gonna transform this from backyard. What is it?
Front yard.
Sorry. We're definitely gonna make this look 100 times better than what it is right now. So stay tuned. All right, day 2. We only worked like half a day yesterday, but we got all the demo out of here, all the plants. We also moved the boulder, the bubbling boulder that is gonna be put back into the stream. Now we're just doing some excavation. We're gonna have 4 small aqua blocks in this reservoir. After that, we're gonna start placing our first waterfall, which is gonna be the first one and the last one. We just gotta wait for a little bit. We're almost done.
Thank you guys for tuning in. I think Omar did an amazing job on this water feature. Any water feature can transform a space. This one in particular, a small area, big impact. The bubbling boulder, the couple waterfalls coming down, absolutely fills that space into perfection. So please, if you like content like this, we're coming out with new things every week. Like, subscribe if you want, hit that bell for notifications, and see you guys on the next one.